Turn it off. Well, that's not good. That's your starter staying on.
Yeah.
That's not good.
It's not good.
Turn the key off. Huh. 5 Ryan's Proto and Recovery Services. We're here live on location. Got a 6277 Ford in distress. Proto is having a bit of an issue towing the apparatus because the apparatus isn't apparatusing. Gonna fire up the tractor, and Jake, you're gonna have to crawl in that window and drive it off, bud. So we brought a trailer that will suffice. This trailer is a piece of shit.
Ford towing forward.
Man, you better hurry up and get this one fixed before that one breaks. Man, this is gonna be real close right here. Here, cut the wheel this way. All right, go ahead. Yeah, it's in neutral. Yeah, don't cut it too hard because he's up against the deal. Just wait a second. You just start moving you, and then I'm gonna tell you when to cut it. Just. All right, cut it. There you go. Brakes. Like a glass. He's a little late on braking, man. He's all about hitting that gas. Well, we got this turd of a cream puff loaded up on the trailer. Now we're going to get it back over to my shop and see if we can figure out why this stupid thing doesn't want to start. A little backstory. It just stopped running one day. I stopped starting. And he's replaced the solenoid. He's replaced the starter. And it started a few times and then it quit. So he thought the starter was bad. Got another starter for it. Started it again. And now it's just quit starting again.
Excuse me?
A lot of clicking. Yeah, I'm making a video about how your truck is an absolute pile of crap. This is my niece, and she bought that truck, if you'll remember, just a little while back in a video.
Hold on, didn't you agree to get the truck?
No, I said, if you're going to buy a Ford, that's a pretty nice example of a Ford. I would have bought a Chevrolet, but that's just me.
Well, then find us a Chevrolet.
It was your dad's evil doing of, oh, what a Ford. I like I-beam suspension and piece of crap electrical systems.
I wanted a Chevy too. She wanted a Ford.
Yeah.
You said it was clean.
Anyway, so we're going to try to rescue this pile of crap. See if we can make it run again. There he goes in all his majesty.
Still working.
Are you working?
Working.
Proto Accessories. Checking out Proto online. Facebook. Proto Off-Road Recovery Solutions and on-road. Of course, this is off-road because it's on the grass.
We're on location. Need to get the Chevy out of the truck and the Chevy out of the garage. Ryan decided to bring out the tractor. So it's hard to push. Brakes stuck, so decided to look at this nice supportive tractor. Yeah, he's gonna look at ratchet up, and I probably wouldn't cut too. So there should be some sort of hydraulic line. But you know, I digress. I digress. Here we go. Old tractor's getting her. Oh, losing some traction there. I don't think the old tractor's built for this. All right, video.
So what we got here is the apparatus, and this apparatus is not apparatusing. Yeah.
I can't say that, can I?
No, I'm going to have to edit that out. Hey, thanks for creating more work for me.
It's okay, man.
All right.
When in doubt,
Hey.
do more work. Yeah.
Get this fucking battery out of here.
You just said fuck, man. You can't say fuck.
What we did was took the battery out, and then we found some wiring problems
That's not the problem, Mark.
with this little guy.
That's not the problem, Mark. You got the problem.
Here's the problem. Now we're going to try to experiment. See, these were not tight.
I've tightened those things 8 million times.
Your tight is like Richie tight. Fucking loose.
You can't say fuck on camera.
Anyway. Right.
Why bring Richie to this? He's at home in the comfort of his house. You called him out?
Oh, he's not in the comfort of his own home. He's in the comfort inside. He won't go out in the garage because there's a death pool of red below his car.
I saw that.
Turn it off, start it again.
So they brought me this Batman. It ran, no problem. And then it just went to clicking. It was tight.
This was not tight.
It's still not tight.
Now, let's try to start it again. Turn it off. Well, that's not good. That's your starter staying on.
Yeah.
That's not good.
It's not good.
Turn the key off. Huh. So what riddle me this? why is the starter gear engaged, but the Bendix didn't push out? Because it should be spinning the engine over.
I don't know.
You're telling me that earlier
Earlier.
you plugged this battery in, she got in the truck,
Yep.
turned the key,
Yep.
didn't start it.
Didn't start it.
Starter started engaging,
Yep.
but wasn't spinning the engine over.
Right.
We come here, unplug this. This was loose. Check that.
It was loose prior spinning.
Then you started 11 times.
Yeah.
And then on the
But keep
12th,
in mind, when I hooked the battery up, it wasn't spinning.
I know. So what did you do?
Nothing.
You went there and pulled some wires out because I was right, didn't you?
I did not. I hate wires. That's why I wouldn't do that.
You're the mini truck guy. You like wiring.
I hate wiring.
What?
Hate wiring, love zip ties. Completely different.
So through discovery, we found a wire, which would be the ground wire on the starter, that was not happy. Wouldn't you say, Cole?
I would say, mother.
Watch here as he tries to put the coupler on the wire.
Fuck.
Using primitive tools only.
I just lost that bitch.
Jesus Christ, the man cannot hang on to plug connectors.
Will you give me another one? You know, on location, but it's a good wire repair. Don't worry about the oil-soaked lines. It's for lubrication.
Yeah, no, yeah, I wouldn't worry about that. You know what I mean?
Set a cord every now and then.
I've seen fire and I've seen rain.
We sing Silent Night.
Huh?
I thought we were singing Silent Night.
No, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. Oh, this isn't gonna run again. I just caught it on fire.
Not a visual, a vigilant.
That looks real nice, Clark.
It does. Hopefully it held. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. There's no guarantees.
Make sure you put the right end on.
Oh man. Oh man.
Don't put two nails.
Well, it depends. You know, if you're a Democrat, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Then you're good with it. You know what I'm saying?
I hear you. It identifies as a female.
Do me a favor. This time when you make sure the shit's tight.
It was tight.
Sure.
It was so tight.
That's what I'd say too if it was loose.
It was real tight.
Come on, get it.
I can't, my arms don't want to.
Come on, little arms.
Hold.
Put the light where she can see it.
To the left! You got one job, which is to get that ratchet. You're not doing so hot at it.
Well, if Uncle Ryan didn't drop it down here, it wouldn't be a problem.
Oh, yeah, let's blame it on Uncle Ryan. Yeah.
Way to go.
I dropped it.
Nobody did. The truck ate it. I'm telling you, it was sitting here and it fell. Hold the light where she can see it. Idiot.
My hand's like right there. I need
It's
something,
right
I
there.
need something to grab it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I gotta have something to grab it. Yeah, hey, I'll tell you what, let's just use another tool and lose it down in there, huh? My magnet.
There you go.
Break that shit, I swear to God. We won't ever get that wrenched. Look at the new generation, smarter, not harder. See, I wasn't going to tell you I had that because I wanted you to do it the hard way. Back in my day, we didn't have magnets.
It didn't work, did it?
Yeah. Moment of truth. Hey, look at that. No sparkies. No sparkies. Now tighten those up. Tighten them up.
Because you're not
See,
tighten them up.
he was gonna just leave them loose again, just like the other ones were.
Can't get in when the jack stands up here.
Yeah, you
You
can.
can. God, are they both tight?
Yeah.
Hey, the dome light's working.
It was working earlier.
Your dome light's working. Moment of truth. Do not rev it up. Yeah, start it. Well, you gotta hook
Oh,
this
I forgot
back
about
up.
that one.
Idiot.
Try again.
Start it. Oh my God. Turn it off. Start it. Oh my God. Turn it off. Go ahead and start it. Oh my God. 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 It's alive. Well, there you have it there, kiddo. Your truck runs again. Dad, nice job. Yeah, it's got a new starter. It's got a new starter solenoid. It's got all kinds of new stuff. But that wire is fixed.
It's not fixed.
It's fixed.
It's not fixed.
It's fixed.
To be continued.
To be to continue.
Yeah.
Now, usually when you break down, you say, I need Proto. But in this instance, I'm going to need you to say, I love Uncle Roundy. Go ahead.
No.
Go ahead and say it.
No.
I'm waiting.
You're not going to get it.
I'm going to pull the wire loose.
I love Uncle Rowdy.
I'll take it. I knew she loved me. She's always a dick to me, but I knew she loved me. Your truck's in the way. Your truck's in the way. Huh?
Oh, parking brake.
Huh?
I don't think it's gonna be. I don't think that's the issue, man.
What do you mean you don't think that's the issue?
I don't think it's the issue,
What do you think it is? The wire was not grounded properly to the starter.
but it was grounded just fine.
Oh, and that's why the wire fucking fell out.
I just gave it a tug.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Coley, do me a favor. I want you to hop in that truck and we start it and turn it off about 10 times in a row and then let it run for a minute. We're going to do the same test again. 10 times in a row.
10 times?
Yeah, 10 times in a row. You brought this upon yourself.
No.
Turn it off. There you go.
It's got to dry, man. It roads.
Now let it run. Let's let it sit there and run. You can get out.
Why are we letting her run?
We're going to let her get good and warm, and then we're going to test it again.
Why again?
Because we want to let all the circuitry and the boards and the magic makers that make it run to get nice and hot, just to prove your old man a point that his shitty wiring, bad grounding, and what's the problem? You do not kick my thing, sir.
Yeah, it's just that.
I'm gonna drive my car.
Yeager. You want to get a shot, dude? Let's do a shot, bro.
When's the last time you did Jaeger?
Oh, I don't have any of that. I got some of that Captain of Coke. You want a little Captain of Coke, bud? Oh, man. Wah.
I'll do a shot if you're going to take a shot.
Okay, go in the house, get the Captain Morgan out of the freezer. Get 2 cups. Turn the truck off. That's good, isn't it?
It's not bad.
Fire it up.
How many times?
This one's. Yep.
Wait till he's driving down the roads.
Well, I'm driving the F-150 just to prove that I fixed it. We fixed it. And we just got in it and it wouldn't start. But it turned out this piece of shit shifter is it's gentle. You got to be very gentle with it. So I didn't have it all the way apart. She's fired up. We're heading freaking south. Let's do this. Come on, Jakey. What do you say? You know how I fixed it?
Yeah.
You know how I fixed it, bro? Come on. Did you doubt me? We've arrived at the Baker residence. We just turned the truck off. Let's see. I'll be damned. Huh? What's that? I can't hear you over this running truck. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. Fixing Fords. It's fun. That's why they built them, to give you something to do. If you like this one, be sure to hit the like button, share with a friend, because sharing is caring, and my God, that is an annoying thing. And always be scribing, because you don't want to miss Ford fuckery on Streetcar Chronicles, man. I didn't think so. We'll see you next time.